So we're going to learn how to do a pinch pot today. You'll need a handful size of clay, and we're going to mold that into a ball shape and nice and smooth. If you notice any cracks in your clay, just get a little bit of water, nice bit of mine, and just smoothen these over the cracks. These are caused by the air drying clay being exposed to the air and to the warmth of our hands. So get your finger then and stick it in to make a hole, like so. And then we're going to put our hand in this kind of a duck movement, and we're going to smoothen and pull and push from the inside and outside in the clay to make this kind of a pot shape. And this is why it's known as a pinch pot, because you're pinching it into a pot. Make it around the thickness of your finger and nice and smooth on the inside and the outside. You can see I'm working my hands into the clay to make it nice and smooth. Once you finish, you have something that looks like this. You can make one that has a smaller hole in the top. And you can make teeny tiny ones. Once they're dry, you can paint them. And this is a pinch pot.